we have given diagram and we have to find measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. On this diagram we see that these two lines are parallel because we have this red triangle. It means that these two lines are parallel and they are cut by this transversal line. So we can use first alternate interior angles theorem when we have two parallel lines cut by transversal, then the pairs of alternate interior angles are congruent. Let me remind you that alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two lines which are cut but transversal and on the opposite sides of our transversal. So it means that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 128 degrees to this angle. So we just use alternate interior angles theorem. So let me write by the By alternate interior angles theorem, we have that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of this angle, 128 degrees. One more time. Alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. And I just use theorem when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pairs of alternate interior angles are congruent. So measure of angle 2 is equal 128 degrees. So we have measure of angle 2. Now we have to find measure of angle 1. And we see that angle 1 is supplement of angle 128 degrees. This angle is straight angle, so has 180 degrees. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. Let me write this, that measure of angle 1 plus 128 degrees is 180 degrees. We have supplementary angles, so we have that measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees minus 128 degrees. So measure of angle 1 is equal 52 degrees. So this is my solution. We found measure of angle 2 and measure of angle 1.